It's presently 22 degrees out in Texas, so we're going to try a little experiment. We're going to see, and I'm going to put on my seatbelt for this just because the buzzer is annoying, whether or not this car will start. We're waiting for the first glow plug cycle. Yes, riveting content waiting on the glow plug light to go out. Sorry about that, but with this unseasonable 22 degree weather here in Texas, it is not pleasant. Oh, lights out. Let's see, will she start? Give her a little fuel, hold the pedal down. And here we go. Nothing. Let's try another cycle. She does not like that cold. Another cycle. Come on. Will she start now? No. Let's give her a third cycle, because she's almost there. Come on, old girl, you can do it. Just because you're 47 years old doesn't mean you get to retire yet. No. Oof, we're draining the batteries, I'm sure you can hear. That cold is not kind to these things. And yeah, each cycle still takes just as long. But, ooh. Come on. Nope. Let's try again. I know pumping doesn't do any good on an old diesel, so not much you can do. And we've got the idle knob turned up. And no, still nothing. Man, again, this is why a block heater would be nice. And another reason these diesels never caught on. Here I've been cranking and trying to get her to start for over 3 minutes. And most people are not going to put up with that. Okay, lights off. Oh, one more cycle ought to do it. She's almost there. You can do it, old gal. Come on. Whew, it's chilly out here. Do not like. Oh, there she goes. Gotta keep the RPMs up or she'll die, but ooh, she does not like that cold. But there, it takes approximately 4 minutes to start a diesel Mercedes using just the glow plugs, no ether, and multiple cycles of the ignition in 22 degree weather.